Technical Director at Naim Audio. I've been here for 26 years now. I'd say the ethos has changed very little really. The real power of listening to music at home or live, I mean live is the ultimate, but if you can recreate some of that when you listen at home, then you've achieved an awful lot with a hi-fi system, and that's really where we're coming from. When you design, you quite often have to start with the most important things, otherwise you can't see the less important things. So you have to solve the big problems first, and then you can start to see layers and layers of smaller problems afterwards.
My name's Steve Sells. I'm the Electronic Design Manager at Naim, and this is our R&D department. In here we develop the world-class audio circuit, so it's really bringing together lots of different disciplines to try and get the best out of our signal circuits. We look at how software can influence the sound of our analog electronics and how the analog electronics can tie in with the signal process to give the best possible sound.
What we tend to do is have a bank of knowledge really, a pool of knowledge that we've acquired over many, many years. It's not to say we don't very often challenge that bank of knowledge. The people that work in R&D and throughout Naim actually tend to hang around for years and years, so that continuity gives us a great power, I think, when we come to design new products. Next step is bench testing. We don't get to listening until we've done a whole lot of steps before that. There are some basic measurements that everybody does. We've developed a whole set of measurements that we do on top of that. We measure each component and make sure that the left and the right equivalent of these components are fitted by hand, so they end up in the right place in the product. And then we use the ultimate measurement tool for us, which is one our customers use, which is our hearing system. So we've got our transducers on the side and this big brain in the middle, which does all the analysis. And that can definitely explore the potential and possibilities of a hi-fi system much better than any bench testing that we know of. Yeah, music is a really special thing, I think. If you get a music system that really, really works, then everything else disappears. It does for me anyway when I listen. The prize for us is just ultimate performance, and that's what drives us. That's what drives every decision we make.